In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to short on Moomoo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a short sell order, what each screen means, and a few practical tips to keep you from common mistakes. First, a quick refresher on what shorting means. Short selling is a trade where you're betting a stock's price will go down. Instead of buying shares first, you sell them first, borrowing the shares from your broker, then aim to buy them back later at a lower price. If the price drops, the difference is your profit. If it rises, you can lose money, so always approach shorting carefully. Let's set up the basics. To short on Moomoo, you need a margin account, not just a cash account. Make sure margin is enabled and that you meet the minimum equity requirement, which is typically around $2,000. If you're unsure, check your account type in the app or on the desktop platform. Without an approved margin account, the option to short won't appear. Next, find a stock that's actually shortable. Use the search bar to pull up the ticker you're researching. On the stocks page, look for an indicator that it's shortable. Not every stock can be shorted, and availability can change throughout the day based on borrowable shares and demand. If you don't see it listed as shortable, pick another symbol rather than forcing the trade. Now open the trade ticket, tap the stock you've chosen, and select trade to bring up the order screen. This is where most of the setup happens. Here's the key step. Switch to sell. For a short sale, you do not want buy. Tap sell to indicate you're selling shares you do not own. Make sure you don't already own the shares in this account. Selling what you already hold would simply reduce or close a long position, not open a short. Enter your order details. Choose your share quantity and your order type. A market order aims to fill immediately at the current available price. A limit order lets you set the lowest price you're willing to accept for your sell. The order will only execute at that price or better. If you want control over the entry price, limit is usually the more precise choice. Finally, review and confirm. Tap sell or confirm to send the order. Once it fills, you'll see a negative share quantity in your positions. That means you're short. From here, remember you'll close the trade later by buying shares back, ideally at a lower price. Shorting involves margin interest and potential borrow fees, so stay informed and manage risk thoughtfully.